Legit po siya. O, di ba? Palakpakan natin si Krista kasi legit siya. Will you recommend this to your friends?
Yes!
Louder?
Yes!
Ipa-prize daw pag yung pinakamalakas na yes?
Yes!
Ayun, of course. Will you take it every day?
Yes!
Yes, of course. Okay? So I hope that you will teach those combination to your friends and encourage them to support our product. Okay? I hope sa next na health symposium natin, Baguio Convention na, no? Madami. Uy, let's manifest for that! Diba? So, Baguio Convention na, kasi hindi lang ako yung isang speaker. Several of us. Several professionals. Sana meron tayong nurse, physician, me as a pharmacist, and other healthcare providers. Can we go back to my former power